Grinding all my life, sacrifice, hustle paid the price, want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why, all my life, I've been grinding all my life, look, all my life, been grinding all my life, sacrifice, hustle paid the price, want a slice, got to roll the dice, that's why, all my life, I've been grinding all my life.
What's up, everybody? This is Chuco Ramirez, Conrad Kustomz. Want to throw you a little noticia, little news coming next year, 2023. I'm hoping sometime like in February. I'm still messing with the days. I'm gonna start teaching how to do hydros and airbags. It's been something I've been wanting to do for the longest. Just didn't know when the right time was, and now after all this COVID shit, and I mean, I think it's just time to do it already. You know what I mean? So. Just want to throw this out there, you know what I mean? There's a lot of people doing classes for, airbrushing, pinstriping, bodywork, fabrication, stuff like that, which is cool. You know, that's good because we need to keep everything going. You know, keep the tradition moving, keep it alive. Push our culture out there. You know, the lowrider culture. Airbags, hydros, slammed, whatever you want to call it, man. It all comes from lowriding. So be looking out, 2023, Conrad Kustomz, man. I want to teach you guys how to do airbags, hydraulics. I don't think anybody's ever done this shit before, you know what I mean? So, come and check us out, man. I'm going to be putting prices, dates, and all that, man. So, been doing it for over 28 years. We're still doing what we love, you know what I mean? So why not, you know what I mean? We're not getting any younger. I would love to teach this to my chavalos, before I croak or pass away.
Don't drive too fast.
If you guys want to learn how to do hydros, airbags,
Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip and see. Take a little trip, take a little trip, take a little trip with me.
All the homies, they know what I mean. Baby, let me show you how I lean.
Like a cholo.
Laid back, bouncing the club. When we do a dance, we do it like what?
Like a cholo.
Side to side, elbows up, side to side, elbows up, side
fab work, welding.
to side.
Like a cholo.
All up in the club, 10 deep. Looking for some highness. We on the creek. I need a bad one. A real
I'm gonna be teaching that over here at my shop. Starting February 13th. Here at Conrad Kustomz, we build a lot of cars. I've been featured in magazines, car shows, they've been all over the place, all over the US. A lot of our cars are everywhere.
gangster groove. I don't do a whole lot, just enough. Inside the socket.
So, we love what we do. We've been doing it for a minute. And I would love to share my knowledge that I have here at my shop. So I'll be teaching a few different classes. One will be for hydraulic suspension. Other one will be for airbag suspension. We'll also include first day of class, doing welding, learning how to weld in case you don't know how to weld.
Elbows up, side to side, elbows up.
The other half of the first day would be maybe pulling the body off the frame. Then sandblasting the frame, then primering.
Y'all know me, still the same OG, but I've been low
next
key.
day we can start
Hated on by
prepping the
most
frame,
these niggas with
taking
no
all the
cheese, no
suspension
deals
stuff
and no
out.
G's, no wheels and no keys, no boats, no snowmobiles and no skis. Mad at me cause I can finally afford to provide my family with groceries. Got a crib with a studio and it's all full of tracks.
Get ready for hydraulics. Check out our website. We're working on a flyer right now. Should be ready in a few days. It'll have a breakdown of the dates that we're gonna have. It'll be starting off in February. Probably be doing two classes every month. One will be the hydraulics suspension class, and the other one will be the airbag suspension class. And then in between that, you know, there'll be a little bit of, you know, sandblasting, painting, maybe a little bit of patch repair, body work. You know, we'll see how it goes. You know what I mean? But for now, I just want to throw it out there already. You know what I mean? It's something I've been wanting to do for the longest, embedded in my brain for at least 10 years. You know what I mean? That I wanted to teach people. I always had customers and friends and everybody asking me, "Hey, bro, you know, I'll pay you, bro, to teach me, man. I'll go work for free." You know what I mean? But man, it's hard. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm always busy. It's kind of hard to train people while you're working and shit. So this year I'll be finishing up all my projects. Customer projects should be done by January. And you know, that's some of our work we've done here in the past. I mean, we've been around for 20-some years already, you know what I mean? 28 years of experience, since 1994. I got videos and all that shit, man, I'm working on from back then when it started real small, you know what I'm saying? Started doing this back in 92, you know, 91, 92 out of my parents' garage.
And when the cops came through, me and Dre stood next to a burnt down house with a can full of gas and a handful of matches, and still weren't found out. Right here.
54 Bel Air Chevy that I had come out in Lowrider magazine back in 96.
Slim Shady, hotter than a set of twins.
That car is basically what started my business, you know what I mean? So that's a job that we started, you know, and I was fucking with when I was doing detailing and shit. We had a little detail shop. And now this is all I do, you know what I mean? Full frame off restorations, hydraulics, airbags, IFS kits, and pretty much anything that's got to do with automotive. So I want to teach you guys, you know what I mean? I want to teach you guys what I know, a little bit of my knowledge. I mean, for a fraction of what you guys are going to pay at a welding class, at a fucking institute, or I don't know what the fuck. I never took classes for this shit, you know what I mean? Not even in high school, you know what I mean? I learned this shit on my own. Obviously there's always been other shops out there. There's been a lot of shops out there before me. And man, hats down, bro, you know what I mean? Respetos for everybody, you know what I mean? Nothing but love here, you know what I mean? All I want to do is keep this cultura going, this lowrider culture going. Like I said, first week will be hydraulics. Second week will be airbags. It'll be 5 days, Monday through Friday. We'll have all the locations for hotels, where to stay. We'll be bringing food out here for you guys. Every day we'll have something to eat, at least for lunchtime. And then there's plenty of stuff out here to do in Houston, man. Check us out. February 13th will be the first class. And I'm looking forward to teaching you guys, man, or at least showing what I know, you know what I mean? Chuco Ramirez, out.